You certainly eat fruits, but do you know how to wash them properly? Washing your foods is definitely the way of ensuring it is free from insects, right? Well, no. Next time you are biting into a strawberry, try to not remember what you could be biting into. A video published on social media went viral after a girl showed an easy, although not common method of washing strawberries before eating them. According to this girl, immersing strawberries in salted water before eating them can help you eliminate any plagues that survived in the fruit. You put them into the salted water, and after a while, small vermin seem to get out of the fresh strawberries. These small, gross vermin aren't exactly vermin. They are actually the larvae of fruit flies. According to the Brazilian website, Diário de Biologia, these larvae are born from eggs laid by flies inside the fruits, and although gross, aren't harmful to our health. These plagues are bad for the producer since the larvae harm the fruit on the inside and make it unfit for sale. 1 or 2 fruits make it to the consumer's table with something in it, but that rarely happens since, as we said, the contaminated products go bad before reaching the cellar. Anyways, if you like eating strawberries, wash them as we taught you in this video on our channel. If you tried washing your strawberries in salted water, share your experience with us in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.